after finding the intercepts, of course, we are now going to switch to the turning points. So we need the turning points. Now for our turning points, you identify f of x. Our f of x that was given was 1/8 x squared. After identifying it, the steps for the turning points say differentiate f of x once. So my f prime of x is equal to log the power reduced the power by 1. So it will be 2/8x, which is the same as a quarter x. That is the first derivative that is my first derivative of x. Then equate the first derivative to 0. So our f prime of x is now equal to 0. And when f prime of x is equal to 0, this is now at the turning point. So at the turning point, f prime of x must be 0, which means a quarter x is 0. And when a quarter x is equal to 0, it means your x is 0. So our x coordinate of the turning point is a 0. Now we say to get the y coordinate of the turning point, because the turning point is x, comma f of x. To get the y coordinate of the turning point, you substitute x in f of x. After using the first derivative, you get x. So my f of x, which is a quarter, not a quarter, 1/8x squared. This is the original. Now I'm going to get the x coordinate of the turning point, which is a 0, and put it here. 1/8 into 0 squared. So our f of 0 will be 0. Implying the turning point, you begin with the x, which is 0, followed by f of x, which is also 0. That is the turning point. Now its nature, because the question wanted the three things: the intercepts, the turning points, and their nature. So we are on the nature of the turning points. We are now on the nature of the turning points, but they are not turning points because we have only one. So it's the nature of the turning point. But in some cases, you may find the question where after differentiating, you get 2x coordinates. So if you get 2x coordinates, you substitute all the 2x coordinates in this, and you will definitely get 2 turning points. So after getting the 2 turning points, also in determining the nature, you determine the nature of the first turning point, and then the nature of the second turning point. So this is only one. Now in method 1, we said you can use the second derivative. If you're using the second derivative, you differentiate that first derivative once more. So our f of x was 1/8x squared. F prime of x is a quarter x. F double prime of x is now differentiating 0, it would have been a maximum. If you don't want to employ this, you can